news is I'm going hiking right here in the city. Snoop Park has Katuri Forest for hiking. I'm so excited. I hope I'll see some mushrooms. It looks mushroomy around here, wouldn't you say? So yeah, stay tuned. I'm doing that right now. So excited. It was very hard to find. I got lost and I also had to get a memory card because I left mine at home. But I have one now, obviously. Alright, let's look. Oh, ew, squish. Squish. Cool.
Isn't that cool? We made that.
I don't see any mushrooms. There's what? It's like really green, overgrown. So I could see how it could be difficult to see any. So I knew it. I would find something. Oh, they got snails on them. That's so fun. Stinky over here. Yeah, I just love these trees. It makes everything feel very jungly, even though I'm like at the swamp, whatever. It's so pretty. Y'all, I found something better than a mushroom. A tortoise. Hi, buddy. Wow. Is it alive? The only mushrooms I'm really seeing are these small guys, but those are very common in the south. I get the same ones in my backyard in Georgia, so just, wow. Oh, hell yeah, y'all already know I'm about to swing on this swing. Yes. Good morning, I'm showing you this vlog. It's all about nature in New Orleans. It was raining. My hair looks so good today for the vlog, but now, anyway, I took the wrong turn. Just not bad, but I'm glad I did. Check out. Check out. Check out. Check it out. Check it out. Let's check it out up close. No one stole my bike. I'll be right here. Oh, shit, bro. Oh my big, oh my, this is so big. So many God, it rode by. I'm in my college. Check them out. I can't go on that, I'm really sad. I don't know if I can go all the way on it, but I can at least go on that side. Why can't I go all the way on this? I think I might beep that. Security got me. They said, get off the bridge. I went on it before. Squirrel. What do you got? This is the biggest tree I've ever seen.